Today we're going to show you how to install one of our thick kits. In the kit you'll see several different items. There's going to be a spindle for a handle set and the two longer posts. Those items you will not need to use, as our handle sets already come with the longer version. There are multiple different colored screws, as well as countersink options and pan head options. These items are for your trim. Depending on what trim, you'll use the according screws. You will have another countersink screw, which is used for the decorative cover. Two posts, shorter posts for the deadbolt, and a longer tail piece for the deadbolt. So, installing the thick kit is very simple. You just grab your cylinder, take off this nut, take the short tail piece out, put the long tail piece in. Add your two short studs. And that's it.